Hello guys, that's me, Gadget the Best Puppet Shark. So we're gonna climb this at the top over there. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel right now guys. And we're here on Hands of God. So we're gonna climb over there. It's high though. So we're gonna climb it.
Nakakain yan, nakakain.
So
Recover na. Oh, hiluin uli natin yan.
Wala na, uminom na eh.
Pinainom niyo agad?
Pero mamaya, bago umalis.
we're gonna climb over there. We're gonna climb over there at the top. There's the top. There's the top, guys. So we're gonna climb it.
Dumating kayo.
We're gonna climb at the
Wala
top.
pa. Ano pa? Mga
We're gonna
30,
climb on the top. On the top, guys.
Okay ka kay kuya. Nakapagdalaan talaga.
Okay, we're gonna wait for my mom. It's been 1 minute. And so many people is here because this is the church. The church is finished and so many people,
Kami malalasin? Okay ba no?
so many people in this. Up there, so many people. There's crowd of people. Alright. Mom is taking too long. So we have to be patient and wait.
Ayun. Piping na tayo.
So oh my god, it's at the top. It's very high.
Yes, picture mo nga kami.
Okay. I'm gonna post this right now, guys. I'm gonna post it. So, guys, my mom is back now. We're gonna climb at the top now because we're gonna take a selfie or a picture. Right, Daddy?
Yes.
This is my dad. He's back at the Philippines. He's working at Saudi Arabia on Kuwait. He's working on Kuwait. Right, Daddy?
Yes. Let's go na. Let's go up.
Now we're gonna climb up the bottom over there. See that over there? It's very high. So, last time I scared of heights. Now I'm not. We're gonna picture, guys. So, we're gonna climb now. We're gonna climb to the grotto entrance. We're gonna go inside. Alright guys, we're gonna climb now. We're walking in. We're gonna climb now. Oh, this place is beautiful. Okay.
Pinas na?
No. Oh, the church bell.
Post mo muna.
That is the church bell, guys. Do you hear that? That is the church bell. Daddy, why they have the church bell?
That is the bell that showing that mass will get started.
Okay.
Balag mo yun.
So we're gonna climb in right now, guys. Look over there. Wait. Look over there. That is the stairs. Now we're gonna climb right in. Entrance. Okay, we're gonna climb in. See, we're in the stairs right now, guys. Donation box. Okay.
Ano kanin mo nga yung ano dun sa Manila yan?
We're gonna climb now, guys. Look. It's the stairs. Look at my foot. It's stairs. It's stairs. It's stairs, guys. So that is the stairs at the top. Daddy, give me the phone, please. Wait. Okay, guys, we're climbing it. Ouch. Ooh. Look at my foot. It's stairs. This way. Ouch.
Show the view.
There's the view. There is the view over there. Where do you see, guys, the mountain? There's the view. Alright, guys. We're gonna go now.
Water spring.
Okay, guys. Look over there. It's a
Spring.
spring. Look, it's water. And this is a wishing well. That is a wishing well. Okay. Look, there's a wishing well. They throw over the coins in the wishing well.
Bakit hindi nagtaturn yung camera, Eli?
I don't know. So many. So guys, so many people here. There's a crowd people climbing up there. And this is the church. And this is another church. Two churches. Okay, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel right now, guys. So many people here. So, guys, we're gonna walk. This is gonna be long time. Okay, guys. Look. So many trees in here. We're gonna climb these stairs again on the top of it. On the very top, and we're gonna climb in. Okay, we're near at the stairs right now, guys. Look. We're near at the stairs. See, look. We're at the stairs now, guys. First aid station. Exit. Okay. Perichi. Alright. We're gonna climb now. Look, we're gonna climb it. Wee. There we go. We're gonna climb now, guys. Did you see? Did you see that the mountain over there? It's very near. You can zoom it. Okay, guys. We're gonna climb. Whoa. I'm gonna pause this, guy, bruh. We're gonna climb it. 1, 2. We're gonna climb it. So many people here.
Post mo muna na. Doon mo na yung ano, sa taas.
I'm gonna pause it. So guys, we're high.
Pakita mo muna lahat.
This is the view. Okay guys, and look over there. So many.
Hanggang dito eh. Mayaw kung ganyan yung laptop.
Kami yung sinusundan nga ng mga riders na ano.
We're gonna walk now. Okay guys, there is the another spring.
Pakita mo dali. Show the.
Oy. That is the spring. Oh. Ah.
58 stairs na tayo. 58 stairs. Stairs. Stairs kasi hagdanan.
Ang stairs, isang buong
Ilan na kuya?
58.
50?
8.
We're gonna climb.
Yes.
Bruh.
Nag-rock
Seriously.
climbing tayo. Rock to.
9,
59. Kami yan.
60.
Why you very brave now, Eli? Huh?
Bro, we're so high up. We're so high up, guys. I can see the view.
Doon ka na.
Wow.
Wow. Tired?
Yes, my feet hurts.
Tulog ka kanina sa mga
Another spring again.
We saw another spring again.
Pagante, patagin din, no?
Another spring.
Ben, pwede na. Malapit lang, eh. Kita mo lang yung view sa outside.
Look, when the third floor, I guess, we're so high up. We're so freaking high.
Ayan. Sinama mo.
It's so high up. And very beautiful. Wow. We're so high up, guys. We're so high up. High.
Wait natin si Mami. And then show them the view.
Oh. Oh my God. The view is too big.
So beautiful.
Yes, very beautiful. And another spring.
110 steps.
Ay.
Ang sarap pa.
gumagapang na. Asa si Mark?
Bruh.
Oh, asa si Mark?
Daddy, baka mahulog
No,
yan.
it's not.
Take care, Daddy. Lagot tayo ni Mami.
Si Mami, hindi na makakahon.
Bakit?
Did you post it?
No. We better keep going.
Okay, keep going. No, just wait for Mami.
Wait, I'm gonna drink water. Daddy, can you hold the phone? What's up?
Oh, lapit na lang. Hindi na lang.
Ano?
Okay guys, that is the view. Now, we're back now. We better keep going. The view is too beautiful.
Just wait.
Doon ata, dito ulo. Meron pa.
Okay.
Tapos doon.
We're so high up, guys.
Show them.
We're gonna get the very top. The very top is too high.
Oh. Yan na.
Let's go.
So, now we better keep
Ay, sinundahan na.
going. Look, the spring. The spring over there.
Ayun o. Ayun.
We're gonna climb now, guys. This bit. Why this is so high up? It's so very high.
We are almost here. Yeah.
We're almost here. What floor? What floor we have?
I don't know which one.
Maybe it's fifth floor.
I think it's more than.
Look. This is so high, man.
Ilan na na? Ilan na?
100. Kalimutan 126. We're so high up, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Another spring again. So many springs over here. I'm so tired and so high up. We better keep going.
Tingnan mo nga, pare kung
Yan na talaga daw. Mainit talaga.
This place is beautiful, man.
Ayan na tubig.
Okay.
Yan pala. Yan. Mineral.
Oh, I heard the church bell.
Yan ka muna.
Ikaw. Now we're at the stairs. This is so high, man. So guys, I'm gonna pause it. So guys, this is high, dude. It is very high than I thought.
Slide na lang talaga.
We can see the view. We're almost there. Look, this is Jesus like this on his hands like that. Okay guys, let's go. What?
Where is Mommy's there?
So we're gonna walk. So very tired guys. Okay guys, let's go. Keep going up and up and up and up and up. Let's go. We're so high up.
Malapit na.
We're so high up, guys. Very high. Last time I'm scared of heights. Now I'm brave. The view is too beautiful.
Jonathan pa si Mark. Sa taba.
May ka dito daw.
Agad na rin ay.
I'm gonna remove my jacket, guys. My jacket. So many stairs. We're near. One. Wow. We're so high up, guys. We're so very, very high. We can see the very, very top. Oh my goodness.
Ayaw mo na?
This is high than I thought. Okay, guys. We only the last one. We're here. Look. Do you see Jesus over there? Only last one. We're here. The last stairs, and we're gonna go down and go home. And no, we're not going home. We're going to Padre Pio on Batangas. Right, Daddy?
Yes.
We're going to Padre Pio on Batangas. So later, I'm gonna show you some. Dang it, bruh. So high.
Slowly. Just follow your mom.
I can't use too many energy. We're here at the very, very top.
We are here on top now.
Oh! We're so high, guys.
Amen.
Excuse me. We're the very higher. We're so high up, guys. We can see the view in the mountains.
We are on top, on top. Show to Jesus. Pakita mo si Jesus.
Look, it's Jesus up there. Hey, hey.
Tara, let's
Oh.
go. We will go up again one more time.
Okay, we're gonna go up.
Go, 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 go.
Aangat sa ulong yung ano.
Go, 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 go.
We're so high up, guys. Wait, we're gonna climb up at the top. Let's go. We're so high up, guys. What?
We are here now.
We are at the very top. Do you see Jesus over there? He's like this on his hands. We're so high up. I need to sit. I have no more energy.
Sit.
Wind out. Wind the rock. The rock is too solid. Okay. So guys, I'm gonna pause this. I'm sitting on a rock, guys. Whew. The view is very beautiful.
Nalay post mo mga dali, magpipray muna tayo dali.
We climb at very, very high. I mean, very high only on this. Look over there. is Jesus.
Let's go, Ella.
What?
Let's pray.
You're gonna pray. I need to rest first. I have no energy.
Okay, I will wait for you.
So guys, we're down now. Look, we're down little bit. Oh, so very hot.
Dito na ni.
Oh, come on.
Hindi na kayo panik na. Ito nga, ang ganda. Hala dyan.
Pare guys,
Hindi mahangin na.
the view.
Sige, sige. Sige, sige. Isang picture na.
Maganda ito. Kita pa na.
Ay, wala nang timer.
Photo ka muna. Naka-portrait ka kasi.
Kailangan may timer para...
Oh,
Hindi kita yung taas. Sama? Half lang. Ito lang yung hapo.
we're taking a picture, guys.
Ayun yung tabi. Hindi, tinapin ikot, hindi makita.
Okay, guys.
Bakit isa ba? Dito sa kabila. Portrait. Third yan. Third yung... Third. Ayun. One.
I want to go down. I need to go down really quick. Daddy, I want to go down now.
Yeah, just wait. We
Okay.
will go down together.
Ano? Lord talaga. Balik ka na yung background. Ay, grabe ang blur.
Ting, picturean kita dun, Ting. Ting, picturean kita dun. Kayong dalawa ni Eli, dali. Wala mo to.
Anak, halika dito. Diyos ko po, Gardo. Pinin mo na Scar, alam mo yung Scarminator?
Oh. We're not still going down because they're gonna picture. So guys, this might be taken for a long time. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Subscribe to my channel right now, guys. I will see all of you in the next video. Peace out.
Press.